Most people need help putting a shirt on or taking it off while their shoulder is healing. Be sure your healthcare team has shown you and your caregiver how to do this. This helps you avoid movements that could damage your shoulder as it heals. Do not attempt to put a shirt on or take it off by yourself unless your surgeon has given you permission to do so and a healthcare provider has instructed you in the proper technique. This program demonstrates how to put a shirt on and take it off with a caregiver's help. You may be given different instructions. Always follow the directions of your healthcare provider. Sit on the edge of a bed or couch. Have your helper arrange 1 or 2 pillows for your arm to rest on. Lean to the side as your helper puts the pillows in place. Then sit upright to rest your arm on the pillows. Your helper removes your shoulder sling as instructed by your healthcare team. Here's how to take off a shirt that buttons up the front. Your helper unbuttons your shirt, then helps you take your arm out of the sleeve on the side that's not healing. Your helper brings the shirt around your back, then pulls it off your healing shoulder and down your arm to the elbow. Your helper holds your wrist to keep your arm from moving while working the shirt under your elbow and off your arm, pressing down on the pillow. You may hold your wrist to help keep your arm from moving. Do not lift your arm to help. When taking a shirt off, you end at the pillow. When putting a shirt on, you start at the pillow. That is, the sleeve on the side that's healing goes on first. Your helper bunches up the sleeve, then puts your hand through it. You or your helper hold your wrist or hand to keep your arm from moving as he or she works the sleeve past your elbow. Your helper does not lift your arm. He or she presses down on the pillow to pull the sleeve under your arm. Keep your arm relaxed, resting on the pillows. If you ever feel like your shoulder is being moved, tell your helper to stop immediately. Your helper brings the shirt behind your back and helps you put your other arm through the sleeve, being careful not to tug on your healing shoulder. Your caregiver pulls the shirt over your shoulders. Then your helper buttons the shirt before helping you put your sling back on. Here's how to take off a pullover shirt. It's helpful to wear an oversized shirt made from a material that's easily stretched. Sit on the edge of a bed or couch with the arm supported on pillows. First, your helper helps you take the arm on the side that's not healing out of the armhole. Gently tilt your head so your helper can pull the shirt over your head. He or she pulls the shirt down your arm to the elbow on your healing side. You or your helper hold your wrist to keep your arm from moving as he or she pushes down on the pillow to get the shirt under your elbow, then off your arm. Remember, when taking a shirt off, end at the pillow. To put a pullover shirt on, sit on the edge of a bed or couch with your arms supported. Start at the pillow. Your helper puts your hand on the side that's healing through the armhole. You or your helper hold your wrist or hand to keep your arm from moving as he or she works the shirt past your elbow, pressing down on the pillow. Gently tilt your head so your helper can put your head through the shirt. Do not lift your shoulder. Your helper helps you put your other arm through the shirt and pulls it down. Ask your healthcare provider any questions you have about how to safely put on a shirt and take it off while your shoulder heals.